Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KGKG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's just Friday's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice price movement. And then you look down here at the volume, and volume has definitely been above average. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going into next week. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 10 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 10, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by next week, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 10 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, as of right now in the very near term, it's all about that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the famous 200-period moving average. So not a big coincidence at all that all of a sudden the price is now starting to struggle right around that area. So keep a close eye on that area, and that'll be, like I said, the near-term level. If the price can push through that level, then the next key area, and I want to just kind of scrunch up the chart here so you can see that we're starting to get in an area that I haven't been seen for a while, is going to be right up there at the 11-cent mark. So again, initial key area is going to be that 200-period moving average, but if the price can break up through there, next key level after that, up around the 11-cent mark. But no doubt about it, very nice way to close out the week. So we'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.